Good day everyone. My name is Abdul Benyo Atong and today we are discussing about the Theorem 67. So Theorem 67. The area of the circle is equal to the product of pi and the square of the radius of the circle is equals to a is equals to pi r squared. So we need to prove or kailangan lang nating patunayan na yung area ng circle ay equal sa product ng pi and also to the radius of the circle. The concept of pi has fascinated mathematicians for centuries. So, alam nga natin na until now is hindi pa rin nakukuha yung exact value ng pi, which is ito yung naging naka-fascinated sa mga mathematician or sa mga developer nito. So, this fundamental constant represent the ratio of a circle circumference to its diameter. Through geometric analysis, we derive the iconic formula for the area of a circle, where a is equals to pi r squared, exploring the intricate relationship between polygons and circular shapes. So this derivation explores the asymptotic relationship between regular polygons and circular shapes. This derivation is nagpakita din ng mathematical elegance at kalawakan ng geometric calculation. So Theorem 67. The area of a circle is equal to the product of pi and the square of the radius of the circle. So sketch proof. Inscribe a regular n-gon of apothem, a perimeter Pn and area An. Now An is equals to 1/2 APn by formula for area of regular polygon. As n increase without limit, An is A is equals to R, Pn is to C. So therefore, A is equals to 1/2 times R times C is equals to 1/2 R times 2 pi R is equals to pi R squared. So we just need to prove that. So O is equals to circle, R for radius, C for circumference, and A is equals to area. So step 1. The area of regular n-gon is given by An is equals to 1/2 APn, where A is the apothem and Pn is the perimeter. So given na yung formula natin sa area, which is 1/2 AP. So step 2. As the number of side n of the polygon increases, the apothem approaches to the radius r of the circle and the perimeter P approach the circumference of the circle. Thus we have A is to R and P is to C. For the step 3, substitute this limit into the area formula AS and approaches infinity. The area of the polygon approaches the area of the circle. A is equals to limit A and lim 1/2 AP is equals to 1/2. And for step 4, substitute the expression for the circumference of the circle. C is equals to 2 pi R. Thus we have, so A is equals to 1/2 R times 2 pi R. And for the last step, step 5, simplify the expression. So A minus I is equal to 1/2 times 2 pi R squared is equals to pi R squared. So A is equals to pi R squared. I hope you understand the Theorem 67. That's all. Thank you.